So you mentioned
The 4800 Drums Wangala Festival, a vibrant celebration of Garo culture and heritage, commenced with a grand display at Wangala Adam Heritage Village in Chibagre near Tura, West Garo Hills. The three-day event, held from 7th to 9th November, began with 100 traditional drums reverberating through the air, accompanied by colorful cultural performances. Chief guest Jagdish Chelani, IAS, Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills, inaugurated the festival. This year, 10 contingents from across Garo Hills competed in traditional drumming and dance performances.
Ladies and gentlemen,
as we celebrate, let us embrace the true spirit of Wangala, which shows us how culture and progress walk together. In the Garo way of life, we find a deep respect for nature, a loyalty to community, and a resilience that has sustained this land through countless challenges. Our Iyabun, Rangon, Anching Rai, Reme Khanda, Jedapode, Anchingni, Dak Rang, Bai Gepa, Veval Rang, Pagacham, Magachawni, Rasonko, Dedauni, Omchina.